Yes.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you visually impaired?
Yes, well, I'm visually impaired, but
For how long now?
for about 15 years.
15 years. All right. So when this whole court case started with you and your tenant,
2021.
what really happened and why you had to go to court?
I'm there, and I just, here she called my phone, and Linda, the tenant, called me and said she asking me who is these people calling our phone. Say some people must be doing scamming on the place. So I said, I don't know nothing about no scamming. So she called my son and asked him. My son said he don't know either. So she asking me. And so they call her and tell her, say, the money that she paying me, they must pay to them because they own the place now. So anybody tell you that, ask them who is them name and what them getting at. I don't know nothing about that. So
when was this?
21.
2001.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they said, imagine how you sell the place with me and you know tell me. I say, I sell place? How if I sell place, I don't know where to live. That time she know what going on, why she going around me. They say me sell place and make her in the like fool appearing. That time she know I could try to buy the place.
And this is 2021?
Yeah, time I didn't know.
All right. What happened now after that?
After that, she get the police come serve me some and say, Craig, I can't go to court for the place. So Craig go. That's my neighbor.
Yeah,
Live across the road, yeah. So the police carry the summons come and give me.
When was this?
26th of May,
When?
2022.
2022, the police gave you a summons. Okay, to do what and what happened after that?
Some who come to court for answer to the property.
All right, so you went to court?
Yes.
When did you went to court?
26th of May,
Which year?
2022.
And what happened? What did they say at the court?
They say I need to get a lawyer because this case is very big because I have Miss Linda here at court for the rent and I have him also claiming the possession of the place.
Okay. So you took her to court for rent, right? Which year was that?
Same year when she take me to go and do the summons.
Which was when? 2022, 21?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. No, what happened now? When you said they throw?
Yes, I had at home. I had my friend's home. We were a catch and.
Before that, what happened? How they take you out of your own property?
Oh.
Your own property. Tell me what happened.
I'll leave the things them there because I'm at court and them trying to terrorize me.
Ready. Which year did they evict you from the property?
2024.
This year.
This year.
What happened? Where were you when that happened?
I was around the lane at my friend where I'm staying now. And then
in the same community?
Yes. And a friend of them send the picture of what taking place at the gate with my things to my girlfriend's phone, telling me to come take up the balance of my things them that at the gate. I said, my balance of my things? So what happened to my things? So them out at the gate. Must come now. So Webster threw them out. Say I'm own the place. That is the funeral home. The man who own the funeral home at the corner.
So where are you now?
I'm catching around the lane at 35, Kingston Lane.
Because you were thrown from your property?
And thrown the things. Because him know I was in there, you know, but through me just pick and say something I go on.
Give them order to throw you out?
No.
So
I don't get a code.
Police came there and take out?
Police come and tell him say not to do that because the matter is at court. And him say no business nothing. No court because him own the place now. And throw the paper in front of the police face. Actually it's on the ground and the police grab it up and say, no man, and I say you do business. And I while him up and him say, see my paper there? My paper for go collect my lighter, public service.
So right now you have nowhere to live?
No.
Do you think that your life is in danger at this time?
Yeah, because that area is not fit for me to be there knowing that they kill my son.
They kill your son? Tell me
Yeah.
about that.
Them come up on him and tell him to leave the place, left bad man place. And him say him not leave him mother.
Which year this happened?
In 2022, January. 20th of January. On Thursday night, them kill him.
Where? They kill him?
Right out at Ward Theatre. Them trail him. Him and the girlfriend going at the bus stop.